So in the hot Texas sun, y'all, my phone actually shut off just sitting over there in the sun for a second. So there are two bolts on this side, there are two bolts on the top, and there are two under this bracket here. This bracket takes two 11 millimeter socket wrench bolts. This is I think it's an 1/8 inch hex screw. It's not a Phillips or a flathead. It's actually a hex bolt. So I also use a magnet bowl that actually sticks. It's holding all the stuff there, as well as it then sticks to my car. So have everything all in one place. There's a clip here and here on the actual air intake box that pulls air from the front kidney grills. This is an E90 328i 2011 six cylinder. But anyhow, so pulling out the old filter was due for a change. I've seen far worse in other cars, but yeah, I think the previous owner probably changed it pretty regularly. Yeah, this is a lot more involved than other cars I've done this on and owned in the past, but it's all very doable. Nothing that you can't control. This unclipping makes it all real possible and easy. So there's a pre-filter here. It does not look like that comes out. So you're just putting your new filter in on this side. And what I've got, obviously, is a new K&N. Sorry, I'd already recorded all this, guys, but then the phone overheated. So K&N Airflow. I mean, you guys know all the specs. If you're looking at this video, it's probably because you're considering buying one. These are washable and reusable. The rubber is, I don't know, man. You'll know as soon as you see it. It's like it's oiled rubber. And then these are a real fine mesh with a screen, like a fabric covered in a screen. And these are washable, reusable. They're high flow for air. Your car needs air. Your car runs better with good air. So it's a good thing to do. But they're a one-to-one replacement, OEM replacement, just an improvement over the standard. So I'm going to get that back in here. And then I'll talk to you more about K&N, what I'm expecting from it, my previous experience with K&N air filters versus an air intake system, because that's kind of the other way that you can go, and you may be considering that yourself, as an air intake system with a big air intake on the end. And we can talk about that too, guys. Be back in a sec.